So the Toyota Supra has always been a dream car of mine. I grew up watching Fast and Furious, and obviously it's a trophy car in that movie. And I had grown up always idolizing that vehicle. So it was a real bummer, when Toyota had announced that they're going to stop manufacturing it and, making it a very rare bird. 20 years later, here we are. And guess what? Toyota has done us a favor and has reproduced the Supra. Yeah, so part of the process at ReVive is that we custom fit all our pre-cuts to the car. We have our version, and then the manufacturer has their version. Their version will fit. It's a great tight fit. We just like to push the boundaries just a little bit further. And in the main areas is going to be typically the logos, side markers, and then also all the sonar distant markers for like parking and things like that. We usually like to eliminate all those, and the concept behind that is that when we're wrapping the film, those cutouts can have a tendency to warp or change shape. So if you've ever seen other installs and you see misalignments of those, like for the sensors and stuff like that, it's not because they did a bad job, it's just because the film warped in the install process. So what we do and what Premium Sheild allows us to do is that we can go in and modify the pre-cut. So what we do is we delete the logo or the emblem in the center, and then here's the side markers. We delete those as well. So you can just select it, delete it. Be able to do one of the difficult hoods, the one that a lot of people will not do a full piece on. I mean, most commonly you do this in 3 pieces. So you got one big piece in the center, and then where the humps are for the wheel arches are piece 2 and 3. So you end up having a seam that goes all the way up and down the vehicle. And I mean, at first it's not that cosmetically displeasing, especially if the person who's doing it does a really good job of butting up their seams. It's not that bad, but the issue is that down the road, those seams are going to collect dirt and grime. With Premium Shield's brand new 72-inch sized film, we were able to do this hood in a single piece.
My name is Greg Hexel. My wife just purchased a brand new 2021 Toyota Supra. We brought it to Cannes because we saw what Cannes did with my brother-in-law's C8 Corvette. Does an awesome job, coating, filming, quality work, first rate.